Atom8's latest update unlocks API-powered workflows to perform actions beyond BigCommerce's native capabilities. This tutorial will show how to automatically correct orders when customers check out as a guest, using Atom8 API workflows. Here in BigCommerce's order page, we see two orders. The first order was made by a guest, but as we look closer, this order's email is associated with one of our registered customers. That same customer makes this second order, but the order has been corrected with the customer's registered account. Both orders were made while this customer had logged out of the site. The only difference is the second order had been automatically adjusted with Atom8 with accurate customer information. Let's see how you can set up this Atom8 workflow for your BigCommerce store. Our workflow starts whenever an order is created on BigCommerce. First, there is a condition to check if the customer's ID is 0, meaning a guest made the order. Then, we perform an HTTP request action. With the GET method, we are contacting BigCommerce API and checking to see if the guest order email matches any existing customer email. We then do another condition using expressions to check if the HTTP action returns a valid response. If the HTTP action finds a match, we can perform another action to update the order with a valid customer, with a put method command. This completed workflow will automatically link the customer's ID to guest orders for every new incoming order. Book a demo for Atom8. See how API automation can supercharge your BigCommerce business today.